In this video, we're going to be talking about Pythagoras theorem. So let's say we are given this triangle ACD, where the distance from A to D is 39 centimeters, the distance from C to D is 17 centimeters, and the distance from A to C is 44 centimeters. And we have to find the distance from B to D, which is H. So how can we use Pythagoras theorem for this? One important thing you should pay attention to is Pythagoras theorem only talks about right-angled triangles, right? But in triangle ACD, we can have two right-angled triangles in it. We can have right-angled triangle ABD. We can also have right-angled triangle BCD. So let's consider them one by one to find the distance from B to D. First of all, let's consider right-angled triangle ABD. From this right-angled triangle, we can have the distance from A to D squared is equal to the distance from A to B squared plus the distance from B to D squared. But we know that AD is 39, so we're going to have 39 squared is equal to AB, we don't know, but from the question we are saying that the distance from A to C is 44 centimeters. So we can let a certain variable, in my case, x equal to the distance from A to B, then the distance from B to C to be 44 minus x, right? So we have AB to be x squared, then plus BD is h, so it will be h squared. Now let's go ahead and then make x squared the subject from this equation. So we have x squared is equal to 39 squared minus h squared, and we call this equation equation 1. Now let's consider right-angled triangle BCD. From this right-angled triangle, we can have the length of CD squared is equal to the length of BC squared plus the length of BD squared. The length of CD is 17, so we're going to have 17 squared is equal to BC is 44 minus x, so we have 44 minus x all squared plus BD is h, so we're going to have h squared. Now let's go ahead and then simplify this. 17 squared is 289, so we have 289 is equal to, now let's expand this binomial, so we're going to have 44 squared, which is 1936, then we have 44 times negative x, which is negative 44x, times 2, which is negative 88x, plus, then we have x squared plus h squared. But from equation 1, we know the value of x squared. So in place of x squared, we're going to put 39 squared minus h squared. So we have 289 is equal to 1936 minus 88x plus 39 squared minus h squared plus h squared. And straight away we can see that this negative h squared will cancel this positive h squared. Now let's go ahead and then find the value of x from this equation. So we have 88x is equal to 1936 plus 39 squared is equal to 1521 minus 289. So we have 88x is equal to, now let's sum everything. We have 1936 plus 1521 minus 289, and we're gonna have 3168. Now we are looking for x, so let's divide each side of the equation by 88 so that this will cancel this. Now we have x is equal to 3168 divided by 88 is 36. So it means that the distance from A to B is 36 centimeters. Now we can find h using this equation. From equation 1, which is x squared is equal to 39 squared minus h squared, right? So this equation could also be written as h squared is equal to 39 squared minus x squared, but we know x to be 36, right? So we have h squared is equal to 39 squared is 1521 minus x is 36, so we're going to have 36 squared. Now let's simplify this. We have h squared is equal to 1521 minus 36 squared is 1296. So let's simplify this for that. H squared is equal to 1521 minus 1296. That is 225. Now we are looking for h, so let's take square root on the both sides of the equation so that this will cancel this. Now we have h is equal to square root of 225 is 15 centimeters, and this is the final answer. So it means that the distance from B to D is 15 centimeters. So guys, this is how you can use Pythagoras theorem to solve this problem. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.